Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of Royal Match. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about the application of Royal Match and we click here. Then we go to first stop and you click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will start your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you.